You ain't gotta make no flyers or nothing. Just start in your neighborhood first and do your own stuff. Do your neighbors for free, you know, and build you some clientele up. And really take it serious, man. Put your all into it. We're gonna clean them, and we're gonna make it where you can sleep on it. Yeah, you can take your blanket, you can go back there and you can lay on it with no problem. Yeah. Watch this. I want y'all to see this.
Oh my God,
baby. What the business here?
What's going on, baby? What's new, man? What's been cracking in your world, man?
Man, listen here, man. We bite, man. Yeah, for another episode, man, of KLG Press Washers, baby. We out. You know what I'm saying? Big time mix. We out today, man. We're gonna do a little commercial work today.
Ooh, okay. What kind of work you got going on? Commercial?
Yeah, man. I had one of my existing client reach out to me. He wanted me to take care of this dumpster pad at his gas station. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and see what we working with. I ain't even took a look at him. He saw the video to me. So y'all gonna get first dibs. Y'all gonna be just as excited as me when we get there.
Oh, okay.
You know. But yeah, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers for messing with Big Time. You know what I'm saying? Now you a big time. Yeah, you a big time now. And shout out to all my big time mates. All my young ladies and women out there that's subscribing, that's following along the channel. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And we going up, baby. We going up today. Yeah, so I really got a couple on, but I got to shout out my cameraman, Mr. D-Dot Production, baby. You know what I'm saying? He keep it right. You know what I'm saying? He took a break out of his busy schedule. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate him for that. And we're gonna make sure he's straight too, so we can keep these vids coming, you dig?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm just proud of you, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. Seeing I be seeing the behind the scenes. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
So I know you be holding down you know, a full-time job, and then you go come out and you do your pressure washing. Yeah. But like when I was shooting that first video, I noticed how passionate it is about that shit, boy.
Yes, sir.
I noticed.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
Like, man, oh no, he loved it, bro.
Yes,
like, boy,
yes,
you get the.
Yes, sir.
I'm like, okay, yeah. So, yeah, it's cool to watch to see how.
Yeah, man. You know, I love to get out and shoot me some water, man. You know what I'm saying? I get to turn something dirty clean, baby, and I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. You know, that's why they call me. You know, that's why my man called me. You know, it's.
How long you been knowing this customer here?
This customer, man, about 2 years.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he an existing customer. You know, and soon he ran into me again. He was dissatisfied with his crew, and he was like, man.
Oh, so wait, he was using somebody before?
Yeah. Cause I had stalled him out a while back when we got busy at corporate America. He ain't like that.
Oh.
Yeah, he ain't like me stalling him out, man. And he made me promise I won't stall him out this time. So I told him I got him, and you know that's what I love about entrepreneurship, the relationship. You know what I'm saying? It means way more to me than money, man. You know what I'm saying? So. You know, we chopped it up and we brought it back, you know, and he dug in his pocket, and you know, I'm satisfied and he gonna be satisfied.
Right on.
Yeah. Sometimes though, you know, that work, this is what I love to do. I love what I do at work too, you know what I'm saying? But I really get out of enjoyment because this is KRG, you know what I'm saying? This was some birth, you know, at the bottom.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You know, I thought about it and I went and did it. So if I make $25, I get out here and shoot me some water, man. I'm the happiest man on the planet.
Right on.
Yeah, I'm the happiest man on the planet. Every time I hook this trail up and we go make some motion, I'm the happiest man on the planet. You know? And I love when my customer, they call me and they say, you know, we need you. We need you. We need you. I'm like, you know what? No problem. I'm coming.
Right.
No matter what it takes, I'm coming. I'm taking off, I'm coming. You know, and that's what I like about the entrepreneurship, you know what I'm saying? They ain't going with nobody but me.
Right on.
Yeah, they gonna wait on me.
So you said this is a dumpster pad that you're doing?
Dumpster pad.
So this ain't no house. This is different.
It's different, yeah, that's why I say we
I would think a dumpster pad is kind of, that's hard. Well, yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how you clean it, because I would think that's kind of hard. That's a lot of grease be going back there.
So there you go.
Yeah.
So now y'all see what we dealing with, baby. Yeah, we're gonna be dealing with a different mojo today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get to see another side of KRG, baby. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a lot of grease, a lot of oil. You know, y'all gonna see some magic today. Ooh, y'all gonna see some magic today, and it's gonna take about a good hour and a half, and she gonna be right. If that long.
Do you have to move the dumpsters tomorrow?
No, okay. That's the thing about it. We're gonna clean off around it. We're gonna surface clean the surface and the wall. You know, a lot don't have that brick wall around it. We're gonna clean them, and we're gonna make it where you can sleep on it. Yeah, you can take your blanket, you can go back there and you can lay on it with no problem. Yeah, you ain't gonna have to worry about nothing when KRG get finished, baby. Yeah, you get your blanket, make you a pallet on the floor.
On the floor.
Yeah, man. You know, so I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm excited.
All right, well, we're not too far from the spot, so we'll catch y'all when we get on up there, baby.
That's a 10-4, baby. I'll see you in a minute.
Yes. Hey, real quick, big time.
Talk to me.
What advice you got for people who want to get in the pressure washer?
What advice I got for people who want to get in the pressure washer?
Because I'm only bringing this up because I've seen you now pressure washed a resident, and I see how fluid you work, how time sensitive everything is, because you got chemicals, you got stuff that you're working with. And if you don't really know what you're doing, man, you can put yourself in a hole out here.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? So if somebody want to get into this, I would think they gotta make sure they know for sure this is what you want to do.
Right.
Cause this ain't like cutting grass.
No. You know, you definitely don't want to get in this for the money. You don't want to get in this for the money at all, period. This ain't in it. That's with anything though. You don't want to jump in entrepreneurship, you know, for the money, because it's gonna be times where you don't see no money. It's gonna be time you don't get what you work. You know what I'm saying? You got to be okay with that, because the time gonna come. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't got the drive to keep going with anything you do, then yeah, you might want to go to corporate America. Yeah, you might want to depend on somebody else for your paycheck. Yeah. Find you something you love to do. If you love to do it, you ain't gonna focus on the money. The money gonna come.
But for someone who want to get into it, what advice you got for them?
Now, if you want to get a pressure washer, my advice is to go get you a 4-gallon. Go get you a 4-gallon a minute pressure washer. Don't try to go spend, you know, 10,000 like me. Now, I did that, and I just so happened to come out on the good side. Don't go spend 10,000. You might not be lucky as me. Yeah, go get you about a 4-gallon a minute unit, and once you do that, man, just start in your neighborhood. Start in your neighborhood and go from there. You ain't gotta make no flyers or nothing. Just start in your neighborhood first and do your own stuff. Do your neighbors for free, you know, and build you some clientele up. And really take it serious, man. Put your all into it. Don't just do it for no dollar. Don't just do it because somebody else doing it, you know what I'm saying? Really study it, really learn it, and really take interest in it, you know what I'm saying? And you can see a future in it.
All right.
Like KRT.
Right on. So we're here now. This the spot. All right, baby. Let's get to it.
Watch this. This the dumpster pad. Now this one they call big time. When they call big time, they be done did something wrong. Look what they done did. Watch this. I want y'all to see this.
Oh my God, dude.
This
Damn.
This is a house.
You said some what?
This a hazard. This is a hazard. He should have been called. And guess when it got to be done, guys? Guess when my deadline is? tomorrow.
Oh, snap. So this is a 2-day job?
No, I had it done in an hour. 1 hour, we be done. Wrap, finito. Watch me.
Dang, Ree, how they even make this happen?
Big time, they way too late, big time.
God,
They way too late, big time.
hey, this is all grease.
Grease. It's grease, big time. They supposed to be dumping it in there. You see they don't dump it in there, do they?
No.
Yeah, no. But it's a job for everybody, baby. That's what Mr. Big Time. Yes, sir.
KRG gonna get him up.
Yes, sir. We gonna get him. We gonna get him right. Yes, sir. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. It's big time. It's time, baby. You're gonna be happy.
There's a lot of grease, man.
You ain't gonna be happy.
That thing is caked down under. It's caked down on, bro. I can walking through it. I'm like, oh man.
Yeah.
So, alright. What's the method what you gonna use to start the process?
Well, what was going through my head when I was getting all the debris up from all the grease, man, it's probably about, that's a thick grease. It's probably gonna take me about 3 coats. I ain't gonna put no chemical. I'm finna go ahead right now with straight water and pressure. First time, I'm gonna go through with hot water.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go through with hot water, you guys. I'm talking about 170 degrees. And I'm gonna get all that degree up, all that thick layer of grease. He coming out. That's the first layer. Second layer, I ain't gotta worry about the hot water. I'm gonna cut him off, and I'm gonna put some degreaser down there. Let him sit for a little second. Then I'm gonna come with that good clean up, baby. He gonna come right up. Y'all stay tuned, baby. He gonna come right up. He gonna come right up. I don't want my hose to get greasy, so I gotta think now.
So what now?
You hear that burner?
Yeah.
Oh, he was getting hot, baby.
Oh, it's hot water kicking
Yes,
out.
sir. I'm letting him cycle through, get all the debris out of there and heat up. So my lines are getting so hot you can't hold it. That's where you want it, man. Oh, him heating up. That's the perks, baby. Having a hot water unit. Ooh, him getting hot. Okay, okay. All right.
Dude.
The grease, you can see the difference. That's grease. That's bad concrete. And we're gonna change the color in a minute. We're just getting the grease off of there. See all that white stuff? That's grease.
down, Kyrie?
Degreaser.
Oh, okay.
Don't fit the breaking that soap up. I mean that grease up.
Boy, it's strong too, boy.
Come back with that surgery plan. Who's coming up?
How long you let it sit for?
About 2-3 minutes, let it get in there real good. Let's sit about 2-3 minutes. Come back with that surface cleaner, get to the low as I can to the ground. One more sweep. It's a done dollar, baby. Process. Everything ain't always easy. And put your best foot forward, keep going. You'll arrive at different levels and stages. Stay consistent, baby.
To the people, man.
Alright guys, y'all see we're on phase 2. We still got a little bit more to go. We got a couple coats of grease that we got to get down into. It's coming together. Yeah, man, it's coming together, man. But listen, man, I got to get on to my man about this here, man. I told my people about calling me when it's too late. It ain't never too late.
This is too late?
This is disgusting. Look at this. Look how thick that grease is, man. And we done took about 2-3 layers off, I'm telling you. Look how many more layers we got to go, man. So I'm gonna have to tell my man this, you know, I don't mind doing, but big time, you can't let this here get like this here no more. Ooh.
It's a lot of grease, man.
Yeah, it's a lot of grease.
Wow.
Yeah. So I estimated 2 hours, guys. We probably got another hour remaining before the 2 hours up. Like about 2.5. Kind of underestimated that grease, but we're gonna get back at it.
What you gotta do next?
Next, I'm gonna pretty much do the same process. I'm gonna drop a little more degreaser down here, let it sit into that grease, and then come back with that heat one more good time. That should get us right. While that degreaser is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this here corner here, bust this here corner here. After that, he'll pass inspection. So yeah.
Oh, this gotta be inspected?
Yeah, man.
I didn't even know that.
Ooh.
Oh, so he got to call
You
you.
hear what I tell you? Yeah. This here, you can't have your facility like this here, big time.
Oh, see, I didn't know these boys got to get inspected like this.
Code
boy.
violation, big time. This is a big code violation. They done got away with it. They done got away with this, huh? Yup. And tomorrow they coming to see about it. And he gonna have to see about me. He gonna have to see about me, big time. I don't mind, though. I love, you know what I'm saying? I love, one thing about it, I love a challenge.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, when I first started, I'm like, you know, knock him out, no problem. The more I got into it, I said, dang, this grease real thick. This is thick grease. So I'm gonna tell you the truth, they probably been dying, they probably been abused, but they ain't there 2 years.
Damn.
Yeah, he's been abused by 2 years. So
I see, man. Boy, that degreaser strong, boy. what? The space look a whole lot better than before. A whole lot better. Before it was so damn greasy and sticky. Granted, it still got a little residue, but it's a whole lot better than before. The man know what he doing, man. Dude, this is crazy the difference, bro.
I don't know what those 4 rings right there, but
Bro, this is crazy the difference. Y'all look at this. Like, still a little stuff on here, but you gotta keep in mind.
yeah.
This thing was caked with grease, bro.
Yes, sir.
This looks good. That definitely gonna pass inspection. That's the goal anyway, man.
Yeah, they go past.
This looks amazing.
There go my man.
That's him right there. That's boss man right
What's
there.
up, big time? That's your buck. Yeah, they was in the back.
Man, dump everything.
For real?
Yeah, dump everything that trash. And get that back one too while you're here.
So you got a back trash?
No, right here. Back. This.
I said, as you can see, we got them pretty decent. If it's up to my standard, no. But we already right at 2 hours, right at 40 minutes.
But this was a lot of grease though.
That's what I'm saying. Like I was telling my owner, like I was telling the owner, you know, this is something how to be maintained. You can't neglect this and think it's just gonna go away with one service. When I come back next month, I hit him again. And when I come back the month after that, I hit him again, you know, and just keep him up. You know what I'm saying? That way, he ain't just left to do what we just did a whole bunch of work in 2 hours. Yeah. And when I say work, I'm saying real dedication. From corners to backside. Y'all remember how black that was in the back? You know what I'm saying? We just did a whole bunch of work, man, and this was cluttered up.
Yeah, this was nasty.
To the 6 power. This was cluttered up to the 6 power. But like I say, when I come back, he a reoccurring customer, so it's no problem. When I come back, I hit him again. You know what I'm saying? And keep hitting him as I come back and maintain it probably like it should be maintained. You know what I'm saying? But shoot, my man like it. You know what I'm saying? You know. I'm always say I can do better. You know what I'm saying? But that's just the drive me back. You know what I'm saying? But hey.
What happened to your thing? Did you figure it out?
Oh no, my clamps broke for one, but I gotta see why.
My man just got his trailer just did a little skedaddles on him, but this is part of the game, I guess.
Yep. This here is a pitman arm, and I can't reel my hose. It's gonna try to turn in circles. So when I get home, I just take it out and make sure it's greased up real good and put this, staple this back how it was. Yeah.
Dang, man, I'm sorry that happened to you.
No, you know, this like I say, it ain't stopped no motion.
Yeah.
So you know, we still good. Yeah, we still good.
Well, that's another one in the books, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, baby.
Went from a crib to now a daggone dumpster.
Yes, sir.
Storage area.
Yes, sir.
That was greased up to the 20th power.
Man, to the 20th power, man. You know.
So you don't never know what you're gonna do with pressure washing. You never know what kind of job you're gonna get, man.
It's always interesting. You know what I'm saying? For me, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, you just never know, man. And like I say, I wasn't even prepared because I just seen a video, so I'm like, oh, no problem. You know what I'm saying? So I get here, I'm like, whoa, okay. We'll still knock him out. Which we did, you know what I'm saying? But
it's all over your shirt, man.
it's everywhere.
Dude, you were covered in grease, bro.
Hey, that's
all on your hat, my dog.
Hey, you know what they call that?
What?
Getting dirty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We don't get dirty. That's one thing about it.
So,
get dirty, baby.
worked a full-time job today, clock out, came here, then put 2 hours and a half in. Man, that's a full day, brother.
Yes, sir. I go sleep good now, do it all over.
Yeah.
Yeah. That way, we ain't leaving nobody in control of our destiny. But the man upstairs. But the man upstairs, man. Yeah. You know what, guys? You know, I thank you guys for subscribing in, tuning in to Carrot G Pressure Washing, man. You know, like I say, this is no more than a great fun video, man, for y'all come on, you know, on the day with Carrot G Pressure Washing and, you know, get a couple laughs in while I do my thing. And
hey, if y'all need some work done, y'all know what to do. If y'all need some pressure washing done, man, hit my boy up.
We coming, baby.
He right here in the A.
We coming.
He ain't nothing but a drive away.
That's it.
He gonna get you right. He gonna get you right.
And we value customers, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we value customers. Good customers. We come with good customers.
It's just crazy how much more different it looks, bro. I can't believe it, right? Bro, when I first pulled up and looked at it, I was like, dude, I don't know, man. I don't know what you got going on.
Man, listen here, man. I'm gonna tell you right now.
I was down on you big time. I ain't gonna hold you. I was like, bro, Kyrie, that's a lot of grease, dog.
Listen, he's still wet, but I tell you what, he clean. Man, he clean. I'm telling you now, he clean.
Not a maggot in sight.
Man, no maggot. Hey, they can live back here now. Before, the maggots were dying. Yeah, they can live now. You know what I'm saying? They can live, but, you know, all this, I don't know who slid, you know, man, you know, stuff like that, you know, is what, you know, contribute to what we just saw previously. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, she's so fresh and so clean now. And like I say, when them dumpster pads see me, they go to screaming my name.
All right, y'all. We'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. We will catch y'all on the next one, man.
Yes, sir.